Hello everyone, I am Dr. Rupali Udani and I welcome all of you in my channel Rupali's Health to spread simple healthy ways. In today's video, I'll be discussing about different levels of immunity present in the body. Immunity is defined as body's defense mechanism. It is the ability of the body to fight against bacteria, virus and other pathogens. Higher immunity in the individual often leads to speedy recovery from any viral, bacterial and pathogen attack, while lower immunity often associated with recurrent allergic reaction and with autoimmune diseases. Lower immunity is commonly seen in children and in old age. Lower immunity can lead to sinus infection, recurrent infection, anemia, weakness and slow wound healing. Some cells and proteins plays important role in build up of immunity. There are three different levels of immunity present in the body. First is barrier immunity. It is the first line of defense present at the level of skin, tears of the eyes, saliva of the mouth, acid secretion of the stomach and cilia of the respiratory tract, which plays important role like a barrier and prevent entry of microorganism into the further inner organ. So here the role of cleanliness and hand hygiene plays very important role. So not to touch your eyes, nose and mouth with dirty hands. Then second immunity is the innate immunity, which is present in the individual before birth. It is the genetic information present in each and every individual. It is carried from generation to generation in each and every individual. Innate immunity, there are different type of leukocyte plays important role like neutrophils, macrophages, monocytes, eosinophil and basophils. These are the type of immunity which is fast inacting. Then third immunity is the adaptive immunity. It is not present at the time of birth in the individual. It is adopted immunity or acquired immunity from the vaccine. So it is specific immunity. For example, BCG is pertaining to the tuberculosis. Then hepatitis vaccine pertaining to the jaundice. Then polio vaccine is pertaining to the polio. So specific antibodies are stored in the cells of the body which will recognize the antigen of the pathogens attack, and then accordingly the antibodies will be formed and then the infection will be tackled. So this is specific immunity and slow acting immunity. So these are all three different levels of immunity present in our body. In the next video, we will be discussing about factors damaging to the immunity. If you found the videos informative, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.